I'm gonna share with you 5 powerful things you should be focusing on right now if you really wanna make affiliate marketing work for you. My name is Rakeem Madison, and we're gonna jump right into the content. All right, so the first thing we're gonna focus on is creating content based around what we help people with. And the way that you wanna do this is you wanna look at whatever affiliate product, whether you're promoting your own program or whatever it is, you wanna look at what you're talking about or what that vendor is talking about within the product. This is why it's very, very important for you to actually go throughout the product. And then once you realize what are the main pillars that they talk about within the product, and let's just say, for example, right? Let's say maybe one pillar is showing people how to create their offer. That's one pillar. And then the other is messaging, which is very, very important. And then the other pillar is how to get, people to whatever your offer is, right? So what you will want to do is you would create content based around creating offers, also traffic generation, and then also messaging. And so each and every piece of content that you put out, you'll now have the ability to make a relevant call to action because everything is within alignment, right? And when you do this right, it's super, super powerful because this is something that I use on another one of my YouTube channels, and this allows me to give relevant call to actions to whatever it is that I do. All right, so the next one is very, very important because it's just like as if you was going out in a public place and you ran across somebody and you had a bad experience with them. 9 times out of 10, their first impression of you is going to be negative. So you got to think about that same thing when it comes to, when you're creating your content. If somebody comes across your content and you're wasting a bunch of their time and you don't end up delivering on what you said you was going to deliver on, that person is probably never going to do business with you, right? So first impression is extremely important. So as you deliver your content, make sure that you leaving people in a better place than when they actually found you. All right, so this next one is a non-negotiable for me. And I know it's going to be some people that's probably not going to agree with what I'm about to say, but I'm going to say it anyway. I believe you should only promote products that you actually use. You don't want to be that person that's going out there researching a bunch of different blogs, going to different videos, seeing what other people saying, and then combining all of that information into what you call your review. Because if you do that, it's going to come across not genuine. And I'm telling you, people can smell that stuff a mile away, right? So be ethical. Get out there, actually purchase the product, see what's actually within the product, and then it's going to make a lot of these other tips that I'm going to be sharing with you a lot more powerful, and you'll be able to start making more money because people will believe you and they'll see that you know what you're doing. All right, so with this next one, you want to make sure that you don't promote too many products that are way too similar. And what I mean by that is, let's say for instance, you got 2 all-in-one marketing softwares that you use, right? Those are like your regulars. But then you start to add on a 3rd one and a 4th one and a 5th one. What tends to happen? There's 2 things that happen when you do this. You create a confused mind, and we know what happens to people who have a confused mind. They do nothing, right? Which means they aren't going to buy from you. And the way that happens is, let's say you got all of these marketing softwares. Now they don't know which one to choose. That's what causes the confused mind. But then the other side of that is now the 3rd one and the 4th one, they start to devalue the main ones that you have, right? Which goes right back into confusion. And that's not what we want. All right, so with this next one, you're not going to actually be able to do this if you didn't actually do the other one that I was talking about earlier, which is promote products that you use. That way you can actually give a genuine review, right? Now with this one, it's showing people the value of the product and how it can actually help them. And you're only going to really know those things if you actually using the product, because you're going to learn different tips and tricks and certain things that just make using that software or that tool a lot easier. And that's going to come across, within your reviews or whatever it is that you're doing, right? And these are things that I use on a consistent basis, when I'm doing reviews, when I'm helping solve problems, answering specific questions inside of my videos. And that's what allows me to sell more products, because people can see the passion, my understanding of the software and how to really use it and making it simple for people as they go throughout that process. Now, if you want to learn how to get unlimited free traffic, no matter what product you promote, go ahead and click the first link down below in the description box, because that's going to give you instant access to my free 6-part video training course that walks you step by step through exactly how to do that. Look forward to seeing you in the next video. Peace.